Betty.
Go, Greg.
Every two points. That was good stuff. On top of that, there's a lot. Definitely don't do that. I'm ready. We all good? I'm ready. Inside. Nice. Over. I got it. Oh, no! Five. Default.
It's me.
That's you, man.
I forgot.
Play my game.
I know.
I got 214.
We're out here.
Coming line. Kidding. Part of my game. One with you. Oh! Almost. What's that? Yeah. Good touch. Good back. You did push up, winner or back? Here we go. Jared.
Nice block. Oh, I was like, I don't know. Do I go 2 or a 5? I've never ran this.
In front. Hey.
I'm not seeing this one, so no. There's some behind me.
You got it here.
There we go.
Front side out. Classic. I'm gonna go 5-2. Right here.
Over what?
Five.
What's so funny about this block?
I was looking for hands, dude. I couldn't find them. two.
No, I kicked him on purpose. I was like,
Roll! Was that 16? 6-4? Two. Hey! That's my height. That's your height? Yeah. Same though. That's also my height. Well, that was my... Go, go, go! Oh, no, don't go!
aha!
Right here, right here. Three.
Watch over, watch over.
Oh.
Next up, I got it.
No, no need to stop! Roll, 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 roll! Right here.
Here you go. Outside, outside, outside.
Dude, that shit went away from you.
Yeah.
That's why you say your feet are just so dry.
Oh, good touch though. That's a good touch. No, I think that works. My bad. Do you have another ball? Because I don't got shoes to get that. Hey, wind's blowing.
1 for 5.
I got it. That's you. Push, push. Shoulder, shoulder. That's a good job.
Sour.
Hey, go!
My God, my God, my
Oh,
God.
good serve.
I'll try and counter it.
You got me, you got me, you got me, you got me.
Angle. Next up.
I'm here. Roll it, roll it. I got it. Five. Out easy. Hey! Ah! Is that first one out? What? I couldn't tell. Front. Two. Oh, my bad. Touch. My bad. Ball coming. Right. Fine. Let's go, Tim. Just commit. Commit to one side. I bet it was like all the way over there. So I just grabbed it. One. Oh, up. Ah, fuck. My fault. No, yeah.
Put the outside.
Yeah, I think that's perfect.
Okay,
Yeah.
Tried.
I'm still trying to do this.
Nah, dude. Those are Lucky Mountains. Alright, me.
Fine.
Very good.
Nice. You got me.
Another one. Off. Nice up. Here we go.
Two. 5. In front.
Oh! Oh!
Very audible on that one.
Trying to trick him. 5. In front. Behind them. Low. Yeah.
Yeah, I started.
There you go. There you go. We'll get a phone. Take it.
I gave you a
Thanks. Yeah, I thought you were going to
give
give
it
it
up.
up.
I thought you were gonna give it up. I think I would cover it.
Trouble?
Yeah.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, sick. Damn it. Just like that. Nice serve. Watch out.
One with you. Woo! All you, Justin. That's me. You're right. What's up? Oh no! Baby. No, dude, that was tough spot. He's not tired.
Middle. Nice block.
Ball. Go right into that spot. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming for sure. 100%. 5 here. Go! Great stuff.
Let's just move, take a break, rest. He'll be back. Got it!
I don't know if it was there or not. Ken, I thought you were going to send him on a
Yeah, me too.
Oh, yeah, I just popped that. My bad for doubting. I got it. You got it.
Oh.
No, that's a bad choice. 13, 12? Thank you. No, you're not. Nice.
Still coming off the net. Don't come.
Let's pick up on that. Wow. Oh, you good? Oh, no.
Roller, roller. Get there, get there, get there.
My bad.
I should have taken him.
Middle.
Hit that 10.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
High. You got me. Go!
Oh, why? What's the count? I jumped so early. I'm so excited.
I was calling up, way down.
You were also excited. Whoa!
Good first, guys. Good first, guys.
Just don't look at me.
Just don't look at me.